Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about a popular Linux metric called load average. Many people use it, but not everyone understands what it really means and how to use it properly. Load average tells you how busy your Linux system is. It helps you check how well your server is working and if it can handle more work or not. Before we continue, please support this channel. If you find this content useful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me share more helpful videos. When you move your application to the cloud, you need to know how many resources you will need in cloud. Load average helps you understand how your server performs. This is very important for planning and managing cloud resources. You can check the load average easily. It's shown as 3 numbers and you can see them by running commands like top, mtop, adtop, etc. And you can also find these numbers in a file located in the pros folder. This is very helpful if you use scripts. These 3 numbers show the average load of your server over the last 1, 5, and 15 minutes. Lower numbers means your server is working fine. Higher numbers can mean your server has performance problems. So, how do you know if your numbers are good or bad? Let me explain in a simple way. Each load average number tells you how many tasks are waiting for your processor. For example, if you have 1 processor, a load average of 1 means your processor is fully busy. If you have server with 4 processors, a load average up to 4 is normal. If the number is higher, it means tasks are waiting, and your server might have performance problems. Think about it like people waiting in line to play one game in console. Each person gets a short turn, and then they wait again. This is how your processor works. Every process gets a short time to use the processor, and then next process gets its run. In Linux, load average updates every 5 seconds. It counts processes that are working right now and those that are waiting. But it's important to know something else. Tasks can wait for reasons other than processor. They might wait for data from the disk or a network response. Some people say that waiting makes load average look wrong. Load average is not only about your processor. It shows if your server has enough resources for all tasks. If some tasks wait for data from the disk or the network, it still means your server is busy. It means your server is not able to do all tasks at the same time. Let's talk about virtual processors and hyper-threading technology. Hyper-threading lets 1 processor act like 2 or 4 processors. It doesn't double the speed, but it gives a small improvement, usually up to 30%. It helps handle more tasks at the same time. But this doesn't mean you should treat your server as if it has double the power. You must still watch load average carefully and understand that it is showing all server tasks, not only processor usage. This understanding helps avoid mistakes when checking server performance. That is all I wanted to explain about Linux load average today. I hope this makes things clear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.